Music or something?
Can you stop what you're doing so we can start this vlog? Hello, I'm Kelly and this is...
I'm Brendan.
Today we're going to do the $25 thrift challenge at Goodwill. We are in San Diego right now.
If you want to go, the address will be right here. Boom! Just like that. Magic.
Hopefully it's actually there. But yeah, we're going to Goodwill and we're going to do the $25 thrift challenge. We're going to try and get like a full outfit, like top, pants, shoes.
Shoes might be optional. Shoes are hard to find.
Yeah. We'll try our best.
A bonus item. Bonus
yeah.
item would be good.
Hopefully we'll actually like the outfits and want to buy them, because then that would be kind of useless. Yeah, we're gonna go and yeah, hopefully we'll bring you along with us. This is a really awkward.
We'll see you guys there. Bye.
That's why you hold out, people, to get the good lightings. So
How we're going?
we're going.
We're going.
So we haven't talked in a while. It's been a couple of hours since then. We've gotten Froyo. We've gone to a different Goodwill. We just left there.
Went to Payless.
We went to Payless. Okay, so we're gonna show you everything that we got, and then we're gonna tell you how much we spent. So you show your first item.
My first item, what we got here?
Show your top first.
Nice little Nautica shirt. Nice little button up. Got the little
Show them the pattern. Go
decal
closer.
in the pocket. It's like a nice little
Grid pattern.
grid pattern here. It's pretty clean. Medium.
How much? Oh, don't tell them prices.
Oh, not allowed.
No prices. So then my top that I got is originally from Old Navy, and it's this really wrinkled, you can't even tell it's wrinkled on the camera, but it's just this coral tank, and I thought it was really cute. It has a little cutout in the back. I really like Old Navy. This top's from Old Navy, but I got it at Goodwill. But yeah, it had new tags on it, so no one's ever worn it. So I got that. And then we'll show pants. These are Brendan's pants.
Pants. I just found these nice little tan pants.
What brand are they?
So they're American Eagles. They're size 33-30. So I normally wear a 32-30, but I figured 33. I wear a belt in all my pants, so reasonable.
Reasonable.
Yeah, I thought it would match pretty nice with this shirt here.
Then this is really basic, but I got a pair of black leggings. I wear black leggings every day, but these ones are kind of see-through on the top because my butt's a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna, what was that?
Nothing, go ahead.
What was that face for? But yeah, I got these just to wear, because I'm also away from my home, so I don't have that many pairs of leggings with me. So I got these ones.
2 pairs of leggings.
Next, let's show, do you have another outfit, part of your outfit or no?
Yep, I got my little.
Oh yeah.
And then just to finish off the outfit here, because I couldn't find shoes. Shoes are a little harder for me to find in Goodwills and stuff. Just got this nice little quarter zip.
Just to throw on top.
To throw on top. I like the nice little leather zipper here. It's kind of ripping, but it's pretty nice.
Where's it ripping?
From Pennant League.
Oh, that's fine.
Coming apart, but it's nice, no stains or anything, good condition.
Good condition.
Pretty good, throw it all together.
Then to go on top of my outfit, this is actually from Uniqlo or whatever, how I don't know how to pronounce that. But I have been looking for a tan sweater. Like, I went thrifting on this past Tuesday, because it was $2 Tuesday where I live, and they didn't have a single cardigan that was just tan, and I've needed one. So this is just a plain, simple cardigan. I don't really know what I'm showing you. It's a little bit longer. It has little slits on the side. But yeah, Next, I guess I should show my last piece unless your bonus item was part of your outfit.
No, it's not. You can show your last piece.
Then I found shoes to go for mine. They don't look the best when you're holding them up, but they're also from Target. So apparently I really like Target sandals. These ones are $5.99. And
we never
they're
said
a little
the prices.
strappy.
They're just the same prices. They're size 10.
They're a size 10. Even though I'm a size 9, it's fine.
9.5. So.
Show your thingy. 9s fit my feet though.
So I got 2 bonus items here. One was just this thick foam roller. It's from Amazon Basics. I have another one. It's like half the size maybe, and it's like rigid. It's from Planet Fitness, but it's super tiny. It's like
it's for traveling.
Travel size, but this one is a lot bigger and a lot thicker, so it might
do more.
Yeah, might do more for my back, you know, after working out.
It's only $2.99. I know like we're supposed to say prices, but it was $2.99.
Yeah, it's a good deal.
Next, I literally love, okay, this is really washing out the lighting. So this is a purse, you can't see it. There we go. It's, I don't really know how long it is. I guess it's a crossbody, but it has new tags from Walmart, and I love Walmart fashion. But yeah, it has like little polka dots in it. I thought it was really cute. And yeah, this was kind of like one of those things that I was like, oh wow, my budget's gonna be over the top. Show your next item. Or should I show my last?
Show your last one, then I'll show my last one. She doesn't know what my last.
Yeah, I don't know what his last item is because he's ridiculous. So I found this wallet and it was $1.99, and I was just like opening it and whatever, and then I saw on the back it's a Fossil wallet for $1.99. Like, I don't think you could find a Fossil wallet for $1.99 ever anywhere. Like, I don't think so. Apparently this Goodwill that we went to had no idea how to price things, because like the Walmart bag was $6.99. This Fossil wallet was $1.99. But yeah, I got it. I'm okay with the $1.99.
I saw some Tommy Bahama stuff for like $14.99.
Really?
That was pretty ridiculous for a Goodwill.
Yeah, I saw so many, like, what's that Walmart brand? Like, it's like, you would know exactly what I'm saying if like you knew what this, like if you saw it, you would know it's a Walmart brand.
Anyway, I don't know.
Yeah, there was like, whatever. There was this Walmart brand, I can't remember what it's called, but like they had stuff there for like $13.99, and I was like, this is like a $3 shirt.
Yeah. So a lot of things are good, a lot of things I just don't know.
Sure.
Anyway, so for these last 2 items are a set piece. She doesn't know, she's so confused over here.
What is this? Are these mugs?
So we'll open them up real quick. Get that one
Really?
half open.
Really?
We'll get this one half open. They're a set piece. Gotta show them together, you know what I'm saying? Good, it's good, it's good. So I found these.
Oh my god, they're so cute! I didn't
Mr.
see
and
them!
Mrs. mugs.
Are you kidding?
Black and white. So they're smaller than a normal mug. But yeah, I thought they were really cool. And
I didn't see these. Aw, I'm the missus. That's me. You can't even see it.
I thought these were pretty cool, black and white.
I had no idea this. Like, I didn't even see these.
These are originally $24. Let's see on here, $23.95 for both of them.
Wow.
But
You're gonna have to.
got them for $2.99 here, for $2.99 together. So,
Now let's tell the price, how much we spent. So for my
the grand total lit up.
Brendan.
Sorry, making noise.
Yeah. Okay, so for my top, my leggings, my sweater, my shoes, my wallet, and my purse, I spent $19.76.
With a 10% discount, so you're welcome.
Yeah, it was like originally.
Like $22.
Yeah, it was 21, but like.
Tried to math it, it didn't work out too well.
Yeah.
There we go. So she didn't stable mine together, but so mine all together, we got Snapchat. We got a shirt, pants, quarter zip, foam roller, and then the 2 mugs. Altogether, without the discount, it was $24.95. Really close to that $25 budget, but then it ended up being $22.46. So, really good deal. We both went under budget, and then we got some froyo because we deserved it.
Because we deserved it. I got way too much froyo, and I did not deserve that.
Deserved it. He deserved it.
But yeah, that's our $25 thrift challenge. I'm sorry we didn't film in there, but I went in and out of the dressing room like twice. But yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.